If you've ever wanted more control over how your featured images look in WordPress, maybe they appear too small, cut off, or just not quite right on your blog or archive pages, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change the featured image size in WordPress using the built-in global settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to tweak the size of featured images for future posts, but also how to make sure your older images play nicely with the new settings. Let's get started right at the source, the WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll find the settings that tell the entire site what image sizes to use, including those all-important featured images. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're in, look at your left sidebar and find the Settings menu. Hover over it and then click on Media. This is the spot where WordPress manages the default sizes for all the images you upload to your site. Now, why do these settings matter? Basically, when you upload an image, say, an image you want to use as a featured image for a blog post or homepage section, WordPress automatically creates several copies of that image at different preset sizes. The thumbnail size, which you'll see right here, is used by many themes for those small yet attention-grabbing pictures on archive or main blog pages. So getting these dimensions just right helps make sure your featured images look consistent and polished, rather than awkwardly stretched or oddly cropped. Alright, in the Media Settings page, you'll see fields for thumbnail size. Here you can adjust both the width and the height in pixels. For example, if your theme is showing images that are too square or not filling out a nice block on your grid, you might want to try 400 by 250 pixels, but you can always customize this based on what looks best for your site's design. Take a moment to think about your layout and adjust accordingly. If you're not sure what size to use, check your theme's documentation or even experiment with a couple of values and preview the results. Once you've set your preferred width and height, the next step is crucial. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This locks in the new settings for all the images you upload from now on. But here's an important thing to remember, and this trips people up all the time. These changes only apply to images you add after you update the settings. Any old images, and that includes your existing featured images, won't be automatically resized. So what if you want every featured image, even the ones you uploaded before, to use the new size? Don't worry, there's a really handy tool for that. You'll need to use a plugin called Regenerate Thumbnails. It's free, fast, and safe. Just search for it in your plugins menu, install, and run it. What it does is simple but powerful. It combs through your entire media library and regenerates all of your old image sizes, so both new and old posts will display featured images at the dimensions you've specified. And that's it. You now know how to gain control over your featured image sizes going forward, and even make your old content look just as sharp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and if you have questions about your theme or image sizes, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step WordPress videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.